Hey YouTube, we're back here at the Carlsbad premium outlets. We're gonna go to the Adidas outlet first before we hit out the Nike one. All right. And today's 40% off only at the outlet, so let's go see. Let's see. We're gonna check the hash wall. Looks like it's an additional 40% off. So they have the Grand Quartz. Just trying to see the pricing for it. Yes. Well, it's an additional 40% off whatever the price is. Yeah, the YG. And one's 99 minus 40%. So it's like 60 bucks. They have these black superstars. 80 bucks minus 40% off. They have these Advantage. Looks like they're $59.99 minus 40% off. They have the BYW. Wow, 179 minus 40%. These Stan Smiths for $49.97 minus 40%. Just around 25 bucks. Size 12. Just checking the women's side. Let's see. These superstars. Size 7, it's 70% minus 40%. And these Gazelles in size 7, it's 89 bucks minus 40%. So we have the Ultraboost 19s in this colorway. It's 108 though. It's excluded from the 40% off. Check the other aisle. This colorway, again, this one is 108 as well. So roughly about 40% off already. Alright, so you have this colorway here. Again, in their Ultra Boost, 108. I've seen this one, it's been 108. I've had them at like 50% off as well, so let's keep an eye out for that. And you have this colorway here. Again, Ultra Boost 19, 108. Pretty much all the regular shoes are at 108. And at the women's colorway, they're all 179. Alright guys, just in there. Got this women one. 180 though. So no discounts at the women's side. But let me double check. Alright guys, so I just checked with the associate. There are some colorways that are 108 and others are retail price. So like this one is 108. The one below it, this one, is 108. Again, Ultra Boost 19s. And they have these colorways, again 108. The pink ones, 108. And all triple white. Yeah, they're all 108 though. So we're checking the aisles. They have these Hoops 2.0 mids. 65 bucks minus 40%. And they have these Dame 5s in 3 different colorways. They're all 115 minus 40%. Here's the other colorway. And this one here. They do have the next level ones here. Again, 40% off, 180. So it's around $100 after discount. Alright, some of them $60 minus 40% off. Advantage, the dailies. Let me see here, the Strutter wide. 49 minus 40%. If you guys were looking. And they have the Continental 80s here. $80 minus 40% off. They have the black colorway. Go up. I think they have the Ice Mid. There it is. This one. And they have this other colorway for the Continental 80s. This one's going 59 minus 40%. And they have the Sambas here. $70 minus 40%. They have this colorway, classic black. And right above it, this one has a much better colorway. Again, $70 minus 40% off. And you guys have the Ultraboost here. You have them in size 10 and up to 13. Alright guys, they have these Ultraboosts here in this colorway. It's going for retail price, but minus 40% off. And they have the Ultraboost SL. They're going for $129 minus 40%. It's $129.97. There's only a few more sizes, like 7 to 10. And they have the Ultraboost 19s here. They're all retail price. So no discounts on this wall and these colorways here. So we're here at the women's sizes. So they have the classic Superstars. Have them in different colorways, size 6 to 11. And we're here at the kids section. They have these hardened BEs, $80 minus 40%. Yeah, the Dawn issue 1 in this colorway, $65 minus 40% off. And of course, for kids, they have the Stan Smiths. They have a full-size run, $70 minus 40% off. Alright guys, we're gonna call it a day here at Adidas. We're gonna head over to the Nike outlet. Alright guys, thank you again for joining me on the Adidas vlog here at the Carlsbad Premium Outlets. Hope you guys enjoyed that. If you guys haven't subscribed, please subscribe, like, and share. Alright guys, until the next video.